In our last video, we reminded you that there's not always a straight line between what you invest in marketing and the revenue lift you get, and that if you're only receiving tactical activity metrics, you might have only a vague feeling that the line is going in the wrong direction. Our idea measurement blueprint provides the measuring tools you need to associate a cost with each key action and calculate its contribution to sales. With this information, you can rebalance your next steps and come closer to straightening that line between marketing investment and revenue lift. Here's a chart we use to help us and you understand your customer's journey. It starts here at the bottom with descriptive data. How many customers responded, for instance, to paid search ads? The next step up lets you use decision science to determine why customers behaved as they did. Once we understand that why, we can make accurate predictions for the next campaign and thus recommend tactical changes that can improve ROI in all categories. And all because we're giving you insights that let you prioritize your decision making. With the idea measurement blueprint, and in fact with every aspect of our commercial performance architecture, you don't have to make decisions in the dark anymore. So you can count on insights to inform your decision making. You might be wondering what the E and A stand for. It's empathetic actions. Empathy is the essence of the healthcare industry and the core of your mission. Frankly, it's a competitive advantage too. We understand the balancing act between serving healthcare providers, patients, your colleagues, and your investors. But we provide you with actionable recommendations, accurate performance measurement, and the ability to predict which customers are likely to perform the key actions you want. And that helps you keep the balance and realize better outcomes. Let us show you a blueprint you can really build on. Call us today.